My name is John. My wife Linda is a resident here at Rittenhouse Village at Floral Vale. Let me start with, no individual or family aspires to be a member of a family of a memory unit. If that circumstance comes up, Rittenhouse Village family is one to be with. The physical facilities are excellent. I like the scope of activities. I like all the capabilities. The fact is, all those physical facilities only work with the people. The leadership and the staff is what makes Rittenhouse Village work. I appreciate the activities. The staff is outstanding. I very much like the care they give is outstanding. They're always available. They are always concerned and easily accessible. The most important part of accessibility to me is I get messages and I get information that they reach out to me. I don't have to ask questions. I get the things I need to know directly from them on a timely basis. One thing that is difficult for the family to grasp, but it is important, is over time the care needs change. Rittenhouse Village at Floral Vale, I have complete confidence in their ability to keep pace with the care needs. Keep in mind, it's a degenerative disease. Tomorrow is not going to be better today. Next week is not going to be better. It is only going to go downhill. Unpleasant, but true. I have complete confidence that the daily living care and the nursing care of Rittenhouse Village at Floral Vale will be able to keep pace with that decline. It's an excellent place to be if you have the need.